Good day everyone, still with this watch Casio DW290, and in this video I will show you how to adjust or set up the alarm on this watch. Okay, first we will need to move from this timekeeping mode to the alarm mode, and to do that press the mode button on the bottom left, and we can see here AL means alarm mode. Okay, we see here the indicator for alarm and signal or hourly chime, and then to adjust the time for the alarm you can press the adjust button on the top left like this. And then now we can set up the time. So for example, if I want the alarm to goes off at 6:30 in the morning, I can then set the hour to become 6. And to do that, I press this one, the start stop button, until it shows 6. Okay. And then we move to the next item. For the minute, I press the mode button. And now it shows that the minute is blinking. And I can press the start stop button to become 30. So let me press and hold. Okay, and then press a few more times, and now it's 30. So meaning now that the alarm is active for 6:30. And then to exit the adjust of the time for the alarm, I can press the adjust mode or the adjust button, sorry. And now it's 6:30, it will goes off, and the active feature is the alarm. And if I want to activate the signal, I can press this one, the start stop button, to select that both is active, meaning that if the signal is active, it will make a beep sound to signal us the changing of the hour. Okay, now if you want to exit from this alarm mode, return to the timekeeping mode, you can press the mode button. And now we are in the timekeeping mode, which we can also see on the indicator that the alarm is active and the signal is active. If you want to disable the alarm or the signal, you can move to the alarm mode again, and then press the start stop button on the top right to select which one you want. So if you want the alarm active and the signal is not active, then this is it, and you can select whichever you like. Okay, that's all. Return again to the timekeeping mode, press mode button, and done. Now we have this watch with an alarm active at 6:30 in the morning. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye.